Duffel bag, backseat.
This next strategy is for kids who are auditorily defensive, which means that they're highly sensitive to sound, or for kids who really benefit from white noise, whether it's to help them feel more relaxed, to help them settle down at night, or maybe even to help them to go to sleep. So if you have a child that benefits from white noise, one of the newest strategies for kids is to use wireless white noise earbuds. So this would be for an older child that, of course, can tolerate and understand how to use earbuds. But what I love about this strategy is that it's discreet, it's portable, and it's an easy part of your sensory toolkit. So they're very tiny little earbuds and they go directly into the ear and they give a child some continuous white noise. And this can help drown out offensive or alarming sounds in a crowded and busy environment. So it's a real neat strategy. And again, older children do really well with this. The child needs to be able to understand how to use an earbud. So I oftentimes will recommend this for kids 12 and up. So you can take a look at the product on otkidsmass.com, and there you can see some product reviews and some pricing. So it's a great trick for a sensory toolkit, and again, a great trick for an older child.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow down.